I was sent this sliding camera lens cover kickstand case for the Google Pixel 8 Pro from Simtect to review, so let's take a look. We gotta start with this camera lens cover because it's amazing. It's pretty easy to open. When it's not locked into place, it'll slip open and shut, but when you snap it, it is locked. It will not shut accidentally when it's snapped open, and then you just close it and snap it into place. It will be locked shut to keep your camera lenses clean and scratch free, whether it's in your bag or on a table, you name it. Amazing. Down here we have a kickstand, which is nice and strong. It is metal. It is a nice feeling, kind of rounded on the inside, so it's gonna be comfortable if you're using it as a ring grip or maybe to be hands-free when holding stuff. It's going to adjust up to about 90 degrees, anywhere in between here. And it also rotates 360 degrees. So you're gonna be able to use this to stand it vertically, although when it's in portrait orientation, it is gonna be laid down pretty far. In landscape orientation, it's gonna be a much better angle for you to be watching, streaming, texting, you name it. Then that's just gonna flip down, boom. This does prevent it from being MagSafe or wireless charging capable. Keep that in mind. When this is open, you've got a 3mm bezel over your camera lenses. Nothing is going to be interfered with. It opens up enough so all the cameras are fully exposed. You've got a 2.5mm raised screen lip here. This is a TPU on the inside and a hard PC back that goes all the way up, like halfway over the sides. The buttons are covered. The ports are exposed. It is a heavy duty case, but decently slim. So it's still gonna go in and out of your pocket nice and easily. If you're looking for a protective case for your Google Pixel 8 Pro with a screen lens cover and a kickstand, this is a great one from Simtect.